Oh, no, no. First, we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing the butterfly braid. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'll be using the Freetress water wave crochet braid. This is how my hair is looking. I plait the roots and twist the ends. You can plait or twist the entire hair. First, we're going to separate the hair, and I'll be using 2 to 3 strands per twist. I am putting the latch hook through my braid and pulling the hair through. We're gonna pull it all through, guys. Yes, pull it straight through. Okay, now I'm taking half of the hair and wrapping it tightly around the base of my hair, and I'll do like 5 wraps. Then I'll wrap the hair around my thumb to get the butterfly effect. Then I'll slide my thumb out of the hair, and I'll be doing this, guys, like every 5 wraps. You can do this, guys, every 6, or it all depends on the butterfly effect you're going for. So I'll keep wrapping until I reach my desired length. When I get the length, I'll wrap the hair upwards. See, guys, I'm going up with the hair.
Such a huge ego. I love my big ego. And I can make
Once you get to your desired length, you can burn the ends of the hair, but guys, I'm not into that, so I'll wrap the hair together in my hands to keep the hair in place.
before I start to spill you.
This is the same method I'll be using throughout the hair.
Ain't no chick to feel like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick to feel like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
Everybody's watching. They say that we won't win. Yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you. So I'm ready for this. Yeah. Put it in the papers. Our love is going big. Yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game. Yeah, I can see the people, I see them crowding in. Yeah, for many different reasons. We're winning every season. We're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't lose. No, my heart is trained forever. We play this game together. I'm winning, girl, with you. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win. And we're gonna win. Oh, let me tell you something. I wake up every morning and I'm only thinking of you. I can hear a lot of people saying we ain't meant to be together. Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm showing you the better and the finer things? If someone ever get a dream, it's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team. I know I'm gonna win this game. My wedding's gonna be insane. I told you I'ma marry you, and we gonna have a lot of kids, and they gon' go to college from the house we bought and raised them in, and then we're gonna retire. So Kelly will be visiting, and everything about you is the reason that I'm whistling, and no one's gonna stop me from the love I give. So come again, I know we always get together. Take it as a compliment. I know if we don't make it work, I'll never know this ever again. Woo! Girl, this is ours. You're my baby. Oh, girl, this is ours. You're my baby. Oh, I was even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, I love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural.
And I'm back with the finished look, you all. If you made it this far, guys, go ahead and leave your girl a purple heart. And also, guys, if you like this video, leave your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on, guys? I do appreciate you all for watching. So until next time, guys, bye.
Favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me. So